What if I could show you a guaranteed way for you to make your first $10,000 online or even $10,000 per month? And I know this because I've done it. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna show you how you can implement this technique to make your first 10,000 or even turn it into a full-time income. And the best part about this is that it doesn't matter if you don't have a lot of money to start. So it doesn't matter if you're 15 years old or you're 65, anyone can implement this method to make their first $10,000 online. And no, before you click away, no, this is not about Shopify, drop shipping, or selling on Amazon, or filling up surveys. This is a legit way that I've used in the past to make money and I still use to this day. So this method involves using Facebook pages, Facebook ads, affiliate marketing, and list building. What this is basically a way for you to build an email list in a specific niche and then using something called offer cycling to make money from that list over and over again. So I know that might sound complicated, but trust me, anyone can do this. Like I said, if you're 15 or 65, you can implement this method to build an online business that can make you money every single month. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you step-by-step instructions on how to set everything up so you have no questions and you can start making money right away. So like I said, we're gonna be using Facebook pages, Facebook ads, affiliate marketing, list building, and offer cycling in order to make this happen. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you get paid a commission for referring a sale to a product. This could be a digital product or a physical product. And this was my first venture into actually making money online. This is how I made my first $1,000 online, was through affiliate marketing. Then I learned how to actually build an email list and scale my affiliate marketing business to over $10,000 per month using exactly what you'll learn in this video. Now, if you go back to my channel, you'll see that I have a lot of videos talking about how to make money with content on Facebook. But before video monetization was available on Facebook, the primary way that I was making money with my Facebook pages was by promoting affiliate products. So the first thing you'll need to do is to pick an affiliate niche. These are basically topics that you can promote and build a page around that specific topic. So for that, you can go to places like clickbank.com. They have tons of products, hundreds, if not thousands of affiliate products that you can promote. These are all digital products and they can pay you commissions from up to 25 to 75% commissions or more depending on the product. Basically, you get paid every single time you refer a sale. Signing up for ClickBank is completely free and you can basically filter by top selling products. You can see which categories are selling the most, and based on that, you can pick products and create a Facebook page around that specific niche. And there's so many different niches that you can create Facebook pages about. So for example, you can create a Facebook page about fitness, about eating healthy, vegan lifestyle. The options are truly limitless when it comes to building Facebook pages in different niches. Now, the point of these pages are not to build a following to create content. You can most certainly do that, but the point of this method is to basically build an audience that you can redirect to an email marketing platform where you can capture their email address and then you can promote specific products to these email subscribers. So let's say that you wanted to promote a fitness offer to stay-at-home moms who want to get in shape. So your first step would be to create a Facebook page, and creating a Facebook page is extremely easy to do. You can just go on Google and just learn how to do that. But basically, you would create a Facebook page targeting stay-at-home moms who want to get in shape. You can call it something like fitness moms or something like that. Now, in order for this to work, you're going to need an email marketing software along with some sort of landing page system in order to capture people's email in order for you to then promote different affiliate offers to these people. And there's plenty of these landing page builders out there. Basically, you can use something like ClickFunnels. I personally use Kartra, which is my favorite way to manage my business and build landing pages. Now, before you even worry about setting up your landing page, you're going to need some sort of hook or something to offer your audience in exchange for their email address, because most people are not going to simply give you their email address unless you're providing something of value. So keeping with the example of targeting stay-at-home moms who want to get in shape, you can create some sort of PDF file or report or video that basically helps stay-at-home moms who want to get in shape by providing them with tips and information that they can follow specifically for them in exchange for their email address. Now, if you don't know how to create some sort of PDF or document, you can use something like ChatGPT to quickly create a 10-page report on how to stay in shape for stay-at-home moms. And basically you can ask ChatGPT to help you create some sort of a lead magnet that you can offer. So once you have your hook or lead magnet along with your landing page and your Facebook page, the next step is to basically send traffic to your landing page. And for that, we're gonna be using Facebook ads. Facebook ads is one of the most targeted ways for you to generate traffic to your landing page. Basically, this is gonna help you build your email list. So paid traffic is the easiest and fastest way to get there, because honestly, if you're gonna be doing organic content, it will take you a little bit longer to be able to generate leads, and you don't really know the quality of those leads because they could come from anywhere basically. But you can most definitely use something like YouTube or Pinterest or Instagram to generate your leads. But how I did it is using Facebook ads. I started targeting specific audiences and just growing my email list in exchange for that lead magnet that I was offering to these people. And you don't need to spend a lot of money. You can do this with $5, $10 per day budgets. And over time, trust me, you will be able to make that money back as long as you build a very targeted email list. So let's say you have 100 people joining your email list every single day. That's 100 people who are potentially seeing your offer, your affiliate offer, and maybe 1 or 2 of those people might actually buy your offer. So if you set this up properly, you can get very cheap email subscribers, very targeted email subscribers, and most likely you can get sales along the way. But the truth is, this is not how you're going to make your money. This is not how we're gonna make $10,000 per month doing this. And this is where the most important aspect of this process comes into play, because if you do this, not only can you make $10,000 per month, you can make way more over the next few months. Once you start building your email list, let's say you have 5,000 people inside of your email list, you can email these people anytime you want, and you can promote different offers to these people. So that means, let's say you send 5 emails promoting your first offer and they decided not to buy. Well, you now have the option to send another offer to these people, and they might actually buy the second offer. This is what I call offer cycling, because if you build an email list of 5,000 people who are interested into losing weight, getting in shape, and you are building that targeted email list, that's not the only offer that you can promote to these people. You can promote multiple offers related to losing weight, getting in shape, eating healthy. There's so many different offers in the fitness space that you can promote to your email list. So as you build your email list over time, let's say you have 20,000 people inside of your email list, all targeted for one specific niche. Let's say you pick an affiliate product that pays you a $50 commission per sale. If you promoted that product to your email list, and let's say 200 people out of 20,000 people decided to buy that product, then that means you made $10,000 right there. Of course, not everyone is going to buy, but the bigger your email list and the more emails you send, the better you'll become at understanding your audience, the better your emails are going to be, and the more money you can make. And you can make money from this email list over and over again, because this is your email list. You can contact these people anytime that you want. You can send them affiliate offers only related to what they were actually interested in. And this is going to allow you to make as much money as you want, because as long as you have that email list, this is going to be a way for you to print money on demand, because you can just contact 20,000 people, 50,000 people, depending on the size of your email list, and just make sales by just sending emails. And this is what offer cycling is all about, because you're growing your email list, and as long as you continue to offer different affiliate offers that are related to that niche, they will buy. When I was learning how to do this, I bought a lot of courses and mentorships from people, and everyone was telling me the same thing. The money is in the list. The bigger your email list, the more money you'll make. And listen, if you want a complete step-by-step breakdown on how to set this up from beginning to end, then go ahead and watch this video, because I break it all down for you into a 2-hour free training that you can watch here on YouTube. I promise you, the information in that video will change your life if you decide to implement it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.